Hello, good morning, students. Today is transcription number 179 on the speed of 100 words per minute. Start. Our greatest anxiety, sir, came with the scarcity of food. This was the biggest threat to the country. For months together, the nation tightened its belt. There were acute shortages. One state came to the rescue of the other. The Government of India tried to come to the rescue of all the states wherever it could and wherever the need was the greatest. The position has fortunately eased considerably now, and we expect that the future holds promise of one of our best crops. A long term policy has been adopted. The Agricultural Prices Commission and the Food Corporation have been set up, and these will be able to help in the stabilization of prices, ensuring proper marketing conditions, and building up of stocks. It is, however, an unfortunate fact, sir, that antisocial trends in the trading community have been present throughout this crisis. Government must therefore continue to remain vigilant, and buffer stocks must be built up so that long-term stability in agricultural prices may be achieved. India is still very much an agricultural country despite its efforts to industrialize itself in various directions of trade and industry. In order to fully develop agriculture itself, a great deal has to be done. We have to ensure a proper supply of fertilizers in time. We have not only to guarantee but to give proper irrigation facilities and good seeds. These, sir, are the minimum requirements of our peasants. Actually, we have also to prepare our peasants and to educate them and to persuade them to accept new methods of agriculture. The community development movement is directed towards this goal, and the cooperative movement is the economic unit to reach it. On the political side, sir, decentralization through Panchayati Raj is being achieved rapidly. We are taking the risk of making mistakes in pursuance of the ideal that the participation of the people in the government is necessary. Development in the economic sphere can only come with rapid industrialization. Production has gone up in many public sector undertakings, and in the current year, we have been told that there will be an increase of 8% in industrial production. The national income has risen, but the impact cannot be felt because of the rapid rise in prices. Consumer goods have become easily available, but the demand for them has risen in the rural areas to a great extent.